Hey guys, you're watching Spot Boys Sab Kuch Bollywood with me, Caitlin. Katrina, do not answer this. Confused? What do you guys think I'm talking about? Well, this is exactly what Fitoor's production team instructed Katrina while our entertainment editor, Vicky Lalwani, questioned the lady of the moment about her breakup with Ranbir Kapoor. Check out this exclusive dope on how Katrina and her team dodged questions about Ranbir and her breakup.
People say so many things. Just clarify this.
Please, Vicky, I don't want to stop this interview like this. This is a Fitoor interview.
Ranbir and relationships. Two taboo words you just cannot get past Katrina. Even if she wanted to answer, the producers of Fitoor constantly harassed and interrupted.
Katrina, you have almost stopped signing films in the last 1 year. We haven't seen you, signing new films. You have Fitoor, you have a couple Baar Baar Dekho, and so what's the reason? Fans want to know.
No reason like that. I don't see that I've stopped signing films at all. Firstly, I think in your life, in your career, which spans many years, there are certain phases where you're working more than others. Maybe due to personal reasons, or your attention is kind of in different aspects of your life. So that does have a bearing on your decisions for sure.
Try it once more and you are met with more resistance. The Disney UTV team promoting Fitoor repeatedly tried to stop an interview with Katrina. Even though Katrina was forthcoming, the producers unceremoniously tried to shut down all questions on Ranbir.
So Fitoor is about love and heartbreak. Where are you both in that state of life?
In the film?
No. Personally.
Love and heartbreak. Where am I? As in, if I find love, I will be happy. I'm not in love with anyone or anything.
So you're single and
Yeah,
free.
yeah, absolutely. I've been single for a while.
Katrina, what about you?
What about me?
Which state are you in?
I have learned that whatsoever state I am in, to be content.
I respect that, but really fans want to know whether you're single or whether you're not single.
And I love that people want to know, because I feel that people only want to know about you when they care about you.
Correct.
So I want to be relevant to
The
my
nation
audience.
cares about you.
Yeah, absolutely. And I hope and I pray that they can always care about me, and they always are connected to me in that way. But I think the people who really care about me in the same way, they also would have seen me in the last, 10, however many years I've been around, and they know that I don't speak about my personal
You've never
life.
spoken about it, no?
No.
No,
It's just my way. I mean, I'm a Cancerian.
But you're
I
okay
don't
with so much
speak.
being written, so much of speculation then.
You have to be. It's part of your job.
It doesn't affect you, you don't get rattled?
And now I think I'm used to it now. And I see it as that everyone's doing their job.
You say how long?
Yeah, everyone's doing their job.
You have to
A
just-
journalist is also supporting his house and his family,
That's exactly
right?
what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Right.
So you're doing your job. You're not here to you're not purposely, I'm going to do this to Katrina today. No, you're just,
Yeah,
you
no,
have to,
So
today
there's
it's
so much
me,
of
tomorrow
speculation.
something else.
There's one speculation that they are doing this just to publicize Fitoor. Is that true?
Oh, we did a media
Meaning
night.
what?
The breakup stories between you and Ranbir?
Stories come and go every day. You have to just, I'm getting a hairbrush.
Yeah, just the last one.
Vicky, thank you.
Just the last one.
You're done with this, Vicky.
Just-
We have come here for Fitoor.
Yes, it's Fitoor
Then we'll
only.
do the
So that
next step.
stage,
Wrap it.
I mean, is it publicity that people say so many things? Just clarify this.
Please, Vicky, I don't want to stop this interview like this. This is a Fitoor interview.
Okay.
Please. Thank you so much, Vicky.
When Spot Boys entertainment editor Vicky Lalwani met with Kat on Thursday evening, her relationship was an obvious topic of discussion. But when Katrina started answering her question, and we must applaud her for doing so in a mature and collected manner, the production team butt in and started threatening to shut down the interview. What surprised us was Katrina was more than comfortable answering the questions on her personal life, but the production team just didn't let her answer.
People say so many things. Just clarify this.
Please, Vicky, I don't want to stop this interview like this. This is a Fitoor interview.